back. Today we are going to play Escape the Bowling Obby. Escape. And guys, we're gonna try to do another speed run, which is gonna be kind of tough. If you haven't, a video that will be coming out, if you haven't seen, or soon it'll come out, you probably have, it's probably me, Dahlia probably made it or has not, but I did Escape the Supermarket Obby for a speedrun, and I'm not gonna spoil it. So we're gonna try to do the timer. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, here we go. We need to escape. Use the bowling ball to get to the next area. Strike. Woo! Whoa! Ladder. Oh my god. Oh no, that's not a good sign. I hate that sound. Oh no. Oh my. Okay, go. The bowling pins. No, I saved it. Wait, can I? Oh my god, how did I just survive that? Go, just go. Okay. Come on, jump. Skip. Oh, I just skipped it. Shoot. Run. You! No. Okay, I'm in.